Guys, what happened? In a day, I got like 10 more subscribers right there. I am so thankful for you guys. Thank you to everyone that subscribed. I am so happy. So, in honor of my 200 subscribers, when I get there, which I need 2 more, by the way, just saying, um, I'm going to do a challenge. No, there is not going to be a giveaway because 1, I'm not sponsored, and 2, I'm not going to buy gift cards from like SpeedCube Shop. So leave a challenge in the comment section of this video, and when I get to 200 subscribers, I will make a video as soon as I can. So leave a challenge in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you next time.